Gang. What I deal with? That's what I deal with. Well, shit. What I deal with? You see what me I deal with? Back with that reaction. You see what I'm there with Pablo 𝐻𝐍, Chargie, Solitary, the one of them Coldest. You see me, I've checked it out now. So, been a minute to since react to Blood Clip Pablo 𝐻𝐍. I don't know why dog them gone, man. Like the man them been on the rock, you know. But look at them wake up. Look at the artist now wake up, sir. What does it mean? Time for them get up, man, and come drop tune. I'm tune, what I do? Wake up, man. Now play the road, I laugh at the road, as me and say. But Pablo 𝐻𝐍, he had so much promise, bro. I'm telling you, you drop the consistency. What's going on? You don't get afraid? You get afraid? I don't know artists need to wake up and come back and drop tunes, man. But anyway, Pablo 𝐻𝐍, Chargie, Solitary, Coldest. Let's get it.
Yo, Chargie with a client and Chargie. What Juve entertainment? Chargie.
Coldest, come on, no?
The coolest, I know my Rolex. Roll out the bowless at 20, 24. Cool now, but my coolest today. VVS, she poor now, she take it. Room. The triple them. Clients and the foodness and the client I see for yes and I ain't yet me triple them.
Triple them, go on, show.
Full of money, come and scam and I'm a tune alone. Dog have a chip black and a patrol the coast. Feel them a bad man, I just troll it.
Skip out, that's a chip got a patrol the coast. Go on, show.
Fans can't understand, but I know. Lockdown in my house, I'm alone. My HP laptop, my dirty phone alone. Dial I run the name Esco. Fuck off them best love, drop a fat Benz and spin it. Manifesto. The coolest, I know my Rolex, I best roll out the bowless at 24 pa my chest. I cool now, but my coolest today. She poor now, she take it low yesterday.
Watch you, go. Come on. Talk to him, Pablo. Come on.
Lockdown in my house, I'm alone. My HP laptop, my dirty phone alone.
HP laptop, my dirty phone. Yo, I miss my HP laptop with the dog, bro. Watch you.
I run the name Esco. Fuck off them best love, drop a fat Benz and spin it on the Fesco. The coolest, I know my Rolex, I best roll out the bowless at 24 pa my chest.
Coolest, I know my Rolex, I best roll out. Hey boy, black out, I got ready to
roll out the bowless at 24 pa my chest. I cool now, but my coolest today. She poor now, she take it low yesterday.
Poor now, she take the low yesterday.
Louis V when my wear pa my Chris. If I know that a far-fetch, my gal go shopping yesterday. My wake up in the trap, I'm on the
far-fetch. What do you know far-fetch? Watch you.
Yesterday. My dog got look on the Benz, me just copy yesterday. My dog just bought a client at Tennessee. She sell the house, I know she not know where to live. In the trap every day, I from a bar now where me see. That's why I'm glad that where me live. I run that block every day like some I know where to live. One bag of blood clot rifle I live. Only shoot that Glock when I baby we are christen. My talk fat them and no baby them a bitch.
So only shoot that Glock when I baby me a christen.
Pay them a visit. The coolest, I know my Rolex, I best roll out the bowless at 24 pa my chest. I cool now, but my coolest today. Yeah, my cool. She poor now, she take it low yesterday. Louis V when my wear pa my Chris. If I know that a far-fetch, my gal go shopping yesterday. My wake up in the trap, I'm on.
Louis V when me wear up on my Chris. If I know that a far-fetch, my gal go shopping yesterday. What?
The popping yesterday. My dog got look on the Benz, me just copy yesterday. A VVS, and nothing less. Client have a food, and send the client a CVS, and I ain't me triple them. 20 the pussy, them a baby triple it. Deposit a 3 me send. Logging I bank, me do it in a 3 minutes. When me done with that, something left enough for them. She have stacks and bands. I'ma tell her say I forgot for that. I'm putting her back and send it come. The coolest, I know me Rolex, I better roll out the bowless at 24.
Ooh, come on.
Poor pa my chest, my goal now, but my coolest today. She poor now, she take it low yesterday. Louis V when my wear pa my Chris. If I know that a far-fetch, my gal go shopping yesterday. My wake up in the trap, I'm on the popping yesterday. My dog got look on the Benz, me just copy yesterday. Full of feature, know some me a teacher, my dog link African apart.
Feature, know me. Oh, go on, show.
With the Legion, full of feature, rich like a DJ. Full of feature,
rich like a DJ. Big up, hey!
Full of feature, boy, them a leisure. Full of boy, full of flea. Full of feature. Pussy Benz, full of full of feature.
He's in my room in the top. Bankroller, hey!
I moved to Riddim, and your car will be
hey, Pablo's back. Pablo YG is back. You know what I'm saying? I like it. I love it. I love it. I love it. You don't know some musical love over here in the gang. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Musical love over here, some man. So we like to see the artists and the artists and far back, you know. No jokes. I want go on over here, so. I want them to deal with it, you know. Don't sabotage me thing, you know. Don't sabotage me thing. Look at me, I disappear, so. But before we even disappear again, you already know what time it is where we are doing. You see me? Let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't know. The Dan is back in the lab. We're going crazy. You don't know. New look, new visuals. We're going crazy, gang. We're not play the road. You don't it? Yeah, man. Till next time, guys. You already know what time. Let me know what y'all think, though. Pablo YG is back. What's your favorite part was beats, lyrics, visuals, all that good stuff, gang. We're going crazy, man. We're not playing. We're not ease up. Foot on our foot. We're foot upon them net this year. You see me? I said, yes, man. Foot upon the net this year, man. But anyway, let me know what y'all think in the comment section, guys. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Oh, reach 10K. You see me? I say, I appreciate and each and every one of y'all, man. You're the best. Love you guys. Take care of yourself and each other, guys. I'm out.